Bulk hours are used for completing tasks quickly. Tasks generally start with an idea to improve your business, like website changes, better blog posts, product videos, creative ad design, and site speed enhancements, just to name a few. Bulk hour packages allows you to take care of all these tasks in one block of time, which makes your life a lot easier. For all of your needs, you'll have one real-life person who's your go-to for all your project requirements. Whether it's making your site look better on mobile devices, creating catchy ad designs for your company, or getting one of our copywriters to create your next blog post. The great thing about having a designated project manager is that they learn about you and your business, your likes and dislikes, style, design, and copy preferences. Hey, they'll even remember your favorite flavor of ice cream. When a task requires other input from other people in the company, your project manager makes it easy to collaborate and work as a team. We understand the importance of completing tasks quickly, so we've created a 24/7, 365 workforce to ensure your tasks are completed as quickly as humanly possible, including weekends, nights, and holidays. This way, you get what you want when you want it. Our team of experts, creatives, and nerds don't mean a lot if we don't understand the actual people behind the requests, whether or not they're satisfied. And ultimately, that's what bulk hours are for, improving the level of service between your needs and our experts, which is awesome.